Good day, crafty chums, it's Nikki here and welcome to another 30-day Inchies challenge. This is challenge number 19, beads. Beads. And so, how about we roll some of our own beads? Okay. And see how we use them on Inchies. I'm not going to make the beads out of the Inchies. That would be a little bit too small even for me. And I like small. I might do it from, start off with some 1-inch strips and see how it goes. Man, I love this. Can you see how yummy this deli print paper is? Can you? Probably not. Anyway, oh yeah. What was I doing? I was doing this. I'm doing this. Then we'll do some of this. And some of this. Just cutting strips. Like so. And I'm going to wind them up. Dab a bit of glue on there and make my birds. Make my birds. Make my birds. So I had my tweezers here a second ago. Hang on, there they are. Just going to wind my beads up. Can also do this with a cocktail stick or the end of a brush or whatever you fancy really. Any of it's just as good as anything else. So I'm just going to do this. And I am just going to add that glue to the end there and just wind it up. Just pop a bit of glue there on my thumb. Actually, I've just glued my thumb because I'm just going to seal down the end here. And there's my first bead. So I'm going to do the same here again. Just going to take the wider end, wide this round, my tweezers. What I'm doing is opening my tweezers up a little bit to help release the tweezer at the end. Make the hole a little bit bigger. Here we go. Just going to put some glue on the end of this one again. Just wind it to the end. Just going to do that till I've finished going along all of these. There you go, I've got 2. I'm not making many. Just going to wind it up. That wasn't in quick time, that was me just speeding up. I'm sorry about my dirty hands, it's just I've done a couple of videos back to back because of course I'm working all the weekend, so I need to get the videos recorded. Can't do them daily because I run out of light and it casts horrendous shadows all over my desk if I have to have the overhead light on because I broke one of my lamps that I was using, and they have the daylight bulbs in them as well, so never mind. Hope you're enjoying the Inchies challenge. Eileen and I are enjoying it very much, seeing all the people coming into the group and posting their photographs and videos and things. It's much appreciated. It's quite nice when people do that, because when you run a group, you do actually put in a lot of effort into it, and yeah. So it's nice when people do actually post things that they make that that we do, like when we hold a challenge. It's actually nice when people join in the challenge and then have the decency to post a photograph or a video in the group. Makes it worthwhile. I'm going to make this one smaller actually in width. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is just cut this and this one just to make them a little bit smaller. Just to keep in with the scale of the inches, because that's always a good idea. Keep it in scale. So again, just wrap them round fast as you like. Get her done. Get her done, son. Just glue it. You could do this with I'm sure with that flipping Pritt stick, but I don't want to get Pritt stick all over me as well as everything else. Just finished last couple off camera. You don't need to see me wrap another one round, do you? So I've got these gold Inchies here. I didn't put you through the torture of watching me cut them out. I thought I might actually just put them on here. How many have I got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 4, so 2. There's 2 on each one if I do this many. So why don't I just wrap this one round? I know, I need to ink around the edges first. I learned that from the last one I did. Hang on. Let's just ink around the edges of this. Make sure that this is finished off before I wrap round. I'd want the same thing to happen that I did with the twine. You should only learn the lesson once. So here we go. So I'm going to wrap this round. Going to go once, twice, 3 times a lady. Pop another bead on. See if I can just pop that one back in there. And there you go. It's not bad, is it? For a little bit of abstract art with beads. Maybe I could do 3 and 3. Or just a oneer. Okay, so that's my inches and beads. And yeah, all the information you will need, it will be in the description box below. I hope you enjoyed today's fun little make. Beads and inches. And yeah, description box below. If you If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I'd really appreciate it. I am trying to get to 2,000 and beyond. Would be nice to get there eventually. So yeah, hope you enjoyed today's Inchies. Information description box below. Don't forget to check out Eileen McInnes and Facebook and blah 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 and blah blah blah. And see you all again soon. Bye.